Hi all, welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna learn how to convert your .ph auth key to JWT using Ruby and the ES256 algorithm step by step. So for that, first you need to be gather the requirement. What you need Apple Developer Team ID, auth key.ph file, it's your private key, Apple Client ID, and key ID with contain 10 character string in your .ph file name. Now, first we gonna install a Ruby. So in first step, after gather the all necessary requirement, first we start to install Ruby in your local system. So for that, you can directly visit to rubyinstaller.org/downloads. Over there, you can download the specific version of Ruby your system supported. So once you're done with the installation, then just open CMD and just simply run this command to just verify Ruby is installed in your system successfully. If you see the version, you are good to go. Once you verify the Ruby is installed in your system, then we require to clone JWT library from the GitHub. So for that, just simply navigate to github.com jwt/ruby-jwt. Over there, we already have a JWT library. You can just click on code and download. So once you download the JWT library from the GitHub, just simply extract that folder and open into a VS Code. So once you open the folder in VS Code, let's install the necessary Ruby gems. So on terminal, you can run a command gem space install space JWT and just press enter. It will take few seconds to install. Once it's installed, then run one more command bundle space install. Then again press enter and wait for a couple of minutes. So once all dependencies installed, now let's create one .ruby file. So just simply create one new file and name as whatever you want and just add extension .rb. So once that file create, inside that you need to write this code. I'll provide this code in description or I directly share this file in comment or in description section. So for that you require your PH8 file, Teams ID, client ID, and key ID. So the key file, it's nothing, it's .ph file. You can directly upload inside that folder and just provide simply the path so it will fetch out easily, or you can create a specific folder and inside that you can upload whatever process you want you can follow, but I just simply paste here and I just need to provide a path here and whatever configuration we need to assign here. Once you are done with all configuration, you don't need to change anything here. If you want to be add any specific time, so you can play with this. What are the expired time for that particular token? You can update based on requirement. So once you modify all information, then just simply run this command ruby space your file name and just press enter. So it will generate JWT token. In order to verify JWT token, you can use jwt.io. Over there you can verify your token, it's valid or not. So it will show you all payload and header information in decode form. So yeah, you have successfully generated and validated your Apple JWT. You can now use this token with Apple services like sign in with Apple or APNS. So yeah, that's all about this video. Thanks for watching.